Welcome back to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Standard Junior KG. Children, today we will be learning English writing. Children, before we start with the lesson, let's keep Almighty God in our prayer and recite our school prayer. Children, stand in your places, join your hands and close your eyes and repeat the prayer after me. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play and prayer, so that teachers and thought learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Children, you may open your eyes and sit down, and let's get back to your lesson. Children, please open your English homework book. Let's see in previous lesson what we had done. In English homework book, we had done 2-letter words. It, in. If, is. You have done, children? Yes, children, you have done 2-letter words. Okay, good. So today we'll be learning next 2-letter words. Are you ready with pencil and eraser? Yes? Chalo, start writing along with teacher. Write today's date. What you have to do? You have to write date over here. So draw one sleeping line from here to here. Write today's date. Today's date is 7/12/20. Okay? आपको डेट लिखनी है इधर 7/12/20. What is today's date? 7 December. So what you have to write? 7/12/20. Okay? You have done, children? Okay. Now teacher will show you next 2-letter words. On. O-N, on. O भी लिखने का, N भी लिखने का. 2-letter words. On. O-N, on. Now this side you have to write or. O-R. Or. O-R, or. O-N, on. O-R, or. On, or. You have to complete this full page, okay? You have to write this full page. Say and write. Write along with the teacher. टीचर के साथ साथ लिखो. बोल के लिखने का. You have to say and write. आपको स्पेलिंग भी लर्न हो जाएगी. O-N, on. O-N, on. O-N, on. स्मॉल लेटर लिखने का है आपको. साथ साथ में लिखने का है. पास पास में गैप नहीं रखना का है. ओके? राइट अलॉन्ग विद द टीचर. राइट स्लोली एंड नीटली. Say and write. O-N, on. O-N, on. O-N, on. O-N, on. O-N, on. Okay, now this side you have to write or. What is the spelling of or? O-R. Or. O-R. Or. O-R. Or. 2-letter words. Okay, you have to write in small letter. O-R. Or. पास पास में लिखने का है. आपको गैप नहीं रखना है. गैप रखोगे तो आपको वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. Okay, write along with the teacher. Write, say and write. Write slowly and neatly. O-R. Or. O-R. Or. O R or. You're done, children? These are known as two-letter words. On, or, O-N on, O-N on, O-R or. Okay? You have to write the full page. On, or, O-N on, O-R or, O-N on, O-R or, O-N on, O-N on, O-R or. Okay, you're done, children? आपने लिखा अच्छे से, slowly and neatly, अच्छे से लिखा. Two-letter words you have to say and write. Okay? Now turn the page. Take the next page. आपको turn करके next page लेना है. Okay? Now here what you're going to write? Off. How to write off? O-F. Off. O भी लिखने का है, F भी लिखने का है. Off. Okay? O-F. Off. You have to say and write. Here you are going to write ox. O-X. Ox. O-X. Ox. Two-letter words. You have written, children? You have to write the full page. Okay? Now write along with the teacher. Say and write. O-F. Off. O-F. ऑफ. ओ भी लिखने का और एफ भी लिखने का, स्मॉल लेटर. ओ एफ. ऑफ. राइट स्लोली एंड नीटली विथ गुड हैंड राइटिंग. ओके, आपको लिखने का है. ओ एफ ऑफ. ओ एफ ऑफ. O F off. O F off. You have to say and write. O F off. O F off. तो आपको स्पेलिंग भी याद हो जाएगी. ओके, now here we will write this side. Ox. How are you going to write ox? O X. Ox. O X. Ox. स्मॉल लेटर ओ लिखने का, स्मॉल लेटर एक्स. ऑक्स. ओ एक्स. ऑक्स. ओ एक्स. ऑक्स. ओ एक्स. ऑक्स. ओ एक्स. ऑक्स. यू हैव टू से एंड राइट. ओके, आपको बोल के लिखने का है तो आपको स्पेलिंग भी याद हो जाएगी. ओके, we'll continue now. O F. Off. O X. Ox. आपको गैप नहीं रखने का है. ओके, टीचर, यू कैन सी टीचर हैज नॉट लेफ्ट एनी गैप इन बिटवीन. आप टीचर ने रखा है गैप? नहीं ना, आपको भी नहीं रखना है. क्या है? ओके ओके, चलो लिखो, टीचर के साथ साथ लिखो. O F. ऑफ. O X. ऑक्स. O F. off. O X. Ox. You're done, children? Okay, write slowly and neatly. Neatly अच्छे से लिखने का आप लोग को, slowly और neatly. Okay? O F off. O X. Ox. आपको बोल के लिखने का है. O F. off. O X. Ox. आपने लिखा. यू आर डन चिल्ड्रेन. यू हैव रिटन. आपने ऐसे लिखा टीचर के जैसा. ओके, गैप नहीं रखने का है. टीचर ने बोला है ना आपको गैप नहीं रखते हैं. गैप रखोगे तो वो आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके, यू आर डन. ओके, We'll read what we have done. Okay? हम लोग read करेंगे हम लोग ने क्या लिखा. On, or, O and on, O and on, or, O and on, or, O and on, or. Repeat after teacher. or, O and on, or. Okay? You have to say and write. Next, OF off, OF off, OX ox, OF off, OX ox, OF off, OX ox. On, or, on, or. Off, ox. Children, now teacher will show you how to write A to L. We have done a capital letter. Teacher ने सिखाया था ना capital letter. Okay. Now you have to take the next page. आपको next page पे capital letter teacher सिखाएगी A to L. How to write. Children, now teacher will show you how to write capital letters from A to L. Okay? This side page you have to write A-L. आपको A-L लिखने का है. Red line पे dot डालो because you have to begin capital letters from red line. Okay? First line A-L. Second line put one small dot because you have to begin from this side. Dot से चालू करो. Capital letter A. Capital letter A. Now capital letter B, capital letter C, capital letter D, okay? Now capital letter E, now capital letter F, capital letter G. See how teacher showing you G how to write? हाँ बहुत जनों ने G capital letter G wrong लिखा है. So please pay attention how you have to write G. You have to write first capital letter C from red line to blue line. Okay? Then take the pencil on top. Bring the pencil down. G. And one sleeping line. Capital letter G. Then H. Okay? Till here you know to write. Now teacher will show you next letters. How to write. What comes next? I. Which letter comes next? I. J, then K, then L. Okay? A to L you should know to write independently. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. You are done, children? You have written? Okay. So, children, what we have learned today? आज हम लोग ने क्या किया? We have learned to write 2 letter words. टीचर ने क्या सिखाया आपको? 2 letter words. On, or. On, or. Of, ox. Of, ox. Teacher also showed you capital letters A to L to write in standing. टीचर ने आपको आज कैपिटल लेटर सिखाया A to L in standing to write. Okay, children? So keep practicing. We are done for today. Thank you, children. Bye. Take care. Keep practicing whatever we have done. Thank you parents for taking the efforts